Hello, my name is Zoltan, and in this video I will show you how to install CommentClient in your GoHighLevel account. So basically what this app is doing is that it helps you to turn your YouTube videos into leads and clients, paying clients. So when someone leaves a comment below your video using your keyword, for example, you might see online that comment the guide below, then you will receive my guide, and in this case, this app will automatically send the commenter your branded tracking link, and the commenter will show up as a lead in your GoHighLevel account. So basically, this is what this app is doing. Now I will show you the installation process. In the previous video, I showed you already the scopes. In this video, I will focus on the installation. So first, choose the right sub-account and sub-account view and click install. Then you can review the scopes. In the previous video, I show you all the scopes already. Just make sure that you are comfortable with that. There is a forever free plan. So after that, I recommend to click continue, and it will install the app within your GoHighLevel. It will take a couple of seconds, and then the onboarding starts. So first step is to connect your YouTube, and there is a big button here, so click that. After that, choose the right YouTube account. First the Google account, then YouTube account, click on it, and then until the app is not verified on Google and it's a testing phase, you will see this screen. So click continue, and you have to select this one if you want to allow it to act on your behalf on YouTube. But it means that if you see this picture, then if you see this screen, then this app is still in the testing phase, so you are in the first 100 users. That's very exciting. So it's fresh new application on GoHighLevel Marketplace. After you allow and you choose the right scopes, it will load for a couple of seconds, and then you will see the entire app in your GoHighLevel account. So it will show up here in below the app marketplace, and then all the YouTube videos which is on your YouTube channel we put in automatically. So let's say I choose this one. This is the first video I want to track, and I click continue. First, it will be pre-filled with but you can choose any keywords, but it will be automatically populated here, and you can manually write it in if you don't like it. And the most important part is that here you can choose your forms, your surveys, or add manually. Be aware that if you add manually, it's not the recommended option, since it is not from GoHighLevel, so it means that it will be not fully tracked. But this way, if someone comments your below your video guide, then this is as a trigger word will trigger this automation, and you can choose which one or which form or which survey will be sent to him as a comment response from your GoHighLevel account. So hit save, and then it means that everything is saved. You can optionally add your own AI key already. Now it works only in Gemini, but this is the main dashboard. What you can see here, if there is a first counter for the commenters, then the replies, then the leads, and then the revenue. This is the only app that tracks revenue, so revenue attribution from YouTube comments. So it means that if someone is leaving a comment below this video, I will show you now how, then it will be automatically shown into your GoHighLevel conversation tab, where you already handle all your conversation. So be sure that you use the right comment without typos. If someone brings in, so it's a not case sensitive. If all capital, that's okay, but if someone mistypes, it doesn't work. So in this case, we have to wait a couple of seconds, until a couple of minutes, until GoHighLevel automatically pulls in this comment and triggers your response. The best thing is it will be automatically drafted within your GoHighLevel, but not sent on behalf of you. So it means that you have to send it manually, so it is absolutely YouTube safe. So I will continue this video in a couple of minutes after the review, after the comment put in. So now it's here. As you might see, it is a comment area. So if you check under contact, there you will see that this is this contact doesn't have email address or phone yet, and the conversation. So it's very important that we already pull him into the conversation, and this is his comment, and this is the drafted response. But again, it's very YouTube safe because it doesn't post any comments automatically. You have to manually review it. So let's say, okay, this is the AI drafted comment with your branded link that also has a tracking link. So it means that you can update this, it's up to you, and you can easily send it. After a couple of seconds, you can go back to the dashboard, so you will see what you already responded. And it's very important that one commenter has a reply already. So let's check back on YouTube. Now we refresh the page. If you scroll down, we will see the response has arrived. So it means that the app is automatically, posts on behalf of you, but not automatically. So you have to manually post the response. Therefore, it's fully YouTube safe. And this entire landing page put in from your GoHighLevel sub account. So I don't want to see you my details as I fill it in. So I will pause the video, but after that I will continue. So after I opted in, I use my email and phone. This is the thank you page, and after this, what you can see is already moved from commenter to replies and to a lead, and therefore we connect all the dots. Therefore, every single step of the funnel from YouTube is connected back to your GoHighLevel. So after that, if this user makes a purchase, then you can attribute the revenue. Okay, this video and this specific comment leaded him to sign up to my email list and then make the purchase. It's very, very important. After that, you can check back in contacts that, okay, this YouTube commenter was updated with his email and phone after the opt-in happened. So it means that you can attribute back every single step. And let's check back on conversation. When you handle all your communications within GoHighLevel conversation tab, it moved from unread to all, and you can read here the comment. This is the video what he commented. This is the exact response was drafted, and AI draft reply sent from your behalf. So you can keep track of every single action. So let's try it in action. Okay, so after this video, just leave a comment guide below and I will send you my guide on how to use this system. So the reason I created this app is if you are a GoHighLevel user or GoHighLevel guru, many talks about on YouTube on how to use cold emails to get leads and get clients. I don't like cold emails, to be honest. I always wanted to use YouTube, so I created this app and I hope you will love it. Also, if you are not a GoHighLevel user yet, let's say you are a YouTuber then I'm sure that you heard the YouTube Sparrow script, what I use the what I call the YouTube Parrot script, that you publish a lot of YouTube videos, then YouTube will pay you AdSense money and affiliate money, and you can get sponsors, and this is pennies, but they never have you to create leads from the videos, and this system, especially within GoHighLevel, it will help you. So if you don't use GoHighLevel yet, then you will find an affiliate link back to GoHighLevel from my affiliate link, and from this I will get a commission from them, to be very transparent. And I think on long term, what we will get, all AI will eliminate all our technical skills. What will remain is your authenticity and your authentic story, your hero story. So this is why I wanted to create a way how you can connect YouTube and GoHighLevel. So it makes sure that if you are a GoHighLevel user and you want to generate leads and revenue from your YouTube videos, but not using AdSense money, and I think you have to see this, because this is remarkable, and I think I was waiting for this kind of tool for I don't know, a long time, and now I created this because I thought that okay, maybe I'm not the only one. And the second type, if you don't use GoHighLevel yet, let's say you are a YouTuber and you're not in control of your revenue. So YouTube can change the algorithm anytime. You get pennies from AdSense money and you never know. So you always surprised. I don't like this model. I like to convert viewers into email subscribers, because then I'm in control of my revenue. So this is the main thing of this application. So again, if you want to see it in action, then comment the guide below and you will see it in action, how does it work, and it will change your life, either if you use GoHighLevel, either if you use YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and before you leave, see you in the next video, and don't forget to comment guide below this video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.